Hello and welcome to the Paper Cup Travel. Today we are doing another unboxing of the Swatch Omega Moon Swatch collaboration. This time of the Mission to EarthPhase Moonshine Gold Cold Moon. This is their latest limited edition, and the trick to getting one of these is that it has to be snowing in Switzerland. So you can check their website, and if it shows that it's snowing in Switzerland, then you can look at the store locations and find out if there's one near you that is selling these. We'll do a quick outside the box. And let's open it up. Again, it's still the cardboard boxes. They're not updating those, I imagine, ever. And this was gifted to me. And I saw that it didn't come with a light, but they said it was inside the box. So at every store, when you buy these things, they open them and show them to you. So they may have placed it in at that time. So I don't know if the light actually comes in the box or on the side. But it does start with, as always, the booklet. Each of these watches are essentially a one-to-one, as they're all laser etched snowflakes on the moon. So they say that none is the same. Quick flip through and have a look. What makes this one, I guess, unique is that it's not blue. The other limited edition EarthPhase moons were blue. That aside. See if I can get that out. There we go. And you can see there, you always get the card. Standard instructions. Leave that there for a second. Again with the advertisement of the classics. Do a quick pan across. You can slow it down or pause it. And the others. And the user's manual for the EarthPhase Moonshine Gold. I'll go a little bit slower on this as they do operate a little bit differently. You guys can pause if you need to see that closer. And as I mentioned, the light is inside the box, and that is the black light, so you can see the hidden messages. The other watches, they gave it to you in the bag. It's out of there. The box is cardboard, and here we have the watch. And it does have the nicer limited edition bands as opposed to the other moon swatches. And let's turn that over. take a quick look at the face. Again, it's got the sticker on it. Peel that off to see the color. And let's see if I can get it to glow. Thank you for watching this quick unboxing of the Mission to EarthPhase Moonshine Gold Cold Moon. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe,